This 2015 Redwood RV Redwood 38RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Redwood RV Redwood 38RE is 13,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.